Airflow synchronization in your BMW 5 Series F10, F11 from 2010 to 2017 ensures consistent temperature and airflow between the driver and passenger sides. The dual-zone climate control can become imbalanced due to wear, software glitches, or electrical faults. Syncing recalibrates the system to match reference positions, resolving issues like uneven airflow and temperature disparities. The iDrive interface, or diagnostic tools, can run a sync zones command. Several key components work together in the BMW F10 F11 dual-zone climate control system to ensure synchronized airflow. These include air mix flaps, the blower motor and fan, temperature sensors, and actuators. Air mix flaps are motorized flaps that control the blend of hot and cold air. They adjust to maintain the desired temperature in each zone, ensuring balanced airflow during mode changes. The blower motor and fan regulate airspeed and volume. A single motor with dual-speed controls powers the system, and synchronization prevents imbalances that could cause uneven airflow or noise. Temperature sensors, located in the evaporator and cabin, provide crucial data to the control unit. They detect air temperature and help maintain synchronization by feeding accurate readings for adjustments. Actuators, such as stepper motors, adjust airflow doors and flaps. They respond to control signals to fine-tune distribution, and synchronization ensures they operate precisely in unison for optimal performance. Synchronization ensures all these components work together harmoniously. However, problems often arise from sensor degradation or actuator failures, which can lead to imbalances requiring recalibration. You can synchronize airflow in BMW F10, F11 models using either the iDrive interface or diagnostic tools like ESA+. The iDrive method involves accessing the service menu by holding the auto button for 5 seconds, then selecting air distribution calibration and running the sync cycle for 5 to 10 minutes. Diagnostic tools offer more precise calibration through the OBD2 interface using software like Plus version 4.38. Both methods reset the air distribution and cycle through modes to confirm symmetry, involving actuator movements for balanced airflow. To begin synchronizing airflow via iDrive, start the engine and set the climate control to auto mode. Next, access the service menu by holding the Auto button on the climate control panel for 5 seconds. In the service menu, select Air Distribution Calibration or a similar option to begin the synchronization process. The sync cycle will run for 5 to 10 minutes, during which the system's actuators will move to calibrate the air distribution. Finally, test the synchronization by setting identical temperatures on both sides and observing that the airflow is now balanced. Diagnostic software like IST Plus version 4.38 or tools from Autel and Foxwell offers precise airflow calibration for the BMW F10 F11 dual-zone climate control. Connect the diagnostic tool via the OBD2 interface located near the driver's side under the dashboard. Follow the software prompts to initiate the synchronization process. The tool guides through calibration steps for precise airflow alignment. This method is often more accurate than manual syncing and can address specific issues related to individual components like actuators or sensors. Common synchronization issues in the BMW F10 F11 include uneven airflow between the driver and passenger zones, noticeable temperature differences, and imbalances in fan speeds. These problems often result from faulty sensors, sticking actuators, or software glitches. According to RepairPal, 15 to 20% of F10, F11 owners face airflow sync problems after 10 or more years of use. For example, uneven airflow might show one zone receiving stronger air than the other, as indicated by these arrows on the system diagram. Faulty sensors can lead to issues like frost buildup on the evaporator coil, as shown here where a sensor fails to properly control temperature. Software glitches might trigger dashboard warning lights, indicating synchronization errors that need attention. If synchronization fails, consider checking these key components to resolve the issues. DIY synchronization with diagnostic tools can save you money, potentially reducing costs from $200 to $500 to under $50. However, professional services offer expertise and can address complex issues. Weigh the cost savings against the risk of potential errors or damage. Remember to consult official BMW manuals or certified tools. Looking ahead, future trends in climate control focus on digital diagnostics and eco-friendly retrofits. Digital tools allow precise calibration through software, reducing the need for physical repairs. For maintenance, regular synchronization can prevent expensive AC overhauls that may cost over $2,000. Consider upgrading to R1234YF refrigerant for better environmental performance. Experts recommend performing synchronization biannually as a preventive measure. Also, be aware of sensor degradation, which becomes more prevalent as these models age.